MTV, what's up? Welcome to my crib. Come on in.
If you're looking for a benefit, looking for attention, looking for supreme, looking for a queen, just roll with me. If you're looking for a benefit, looking for attention.
Okay guys, so as you can tell by the title, I finally took my family on a dream vacay. Guess who we are? You know, my favorite state. We're in Florida. So this is a tour of our condo. So this is the door that you guys just came through. And this is one of the bedrooms. I have some cousins. Well, a cousin and my sister are gonna be sleeping in here. He's here behind the door. Okay.
Come get me.
Oh,
Checker.
Okay, let's not do ghetto stuff. Back up. We're gonna redo this. So when you come through the door, you see a sign that says Faith Family Friends. To the left is the guest bathroom, which is the bathroom that everyone else will be using. I really like the blue background with the fish. Cute. And then over here we have our second guest bedroom with a nice, I was about to say Vivo, but I don't know what kind of TV it is. But yeah, Sanyo with a closet. Let's see what this view is looking like out here. Let's check out the view.
Very dead.
Yeah, never mind. Right here we have.
It's pointless. It's like a little thing about the
Yeah, I don't want to see that. Right here we have a washer and dryer. So we already have some stuff in here that we're gonna wash and dry, as well as an ironing board, which I don't iron, so I'm just gonna be wrinkled. Just joking. Here we have the kitchen. This is in the fridge. We bought lots of water, some candy, and Gatorade. And then here are a bunch of rules that we don't follow because we make our own rules. Nothing there. Knives in case someone acts up. We have some chips here, candy bowl. This kitchen is very nice, very, very nice. Come on around. This is the little dining area over here. Those are my keys. Funny story, my keys actually got stuck in my car thanks to the cameraman. So yeah.
camera woman.
So yeah, if you ain't with Geico and you ain't got roadside assistance, you need to get it because people like her will like the keys to the car.
Why don't you go here? That's crazy not to go here and go out and
Come this way first. We're gonna say the best for like.
You're so big.
This is our sofa, love seat, boom. TV here. We have the Game of Life right there, and this view, y'all. This view is so freaking crazy. Thumbnail.
Dark.
Okay, no. Come on out.
Be careful about the stump
let's
too,
go.
guys.
So look at our view, guys. We have some high chairs here. Table here if we want to come out and eat, and look at our freaking view. You see the ocean over there. We have the pool and our other pool and our hot tub down there. Pretty hot out here, so let's go back in. And now, the best part. This is the master bedroom, so this is where I will be sleeping. I'm out of breath. I have my Bluetooth there. Put my wig up. See, I do have the ocean view. So I can wake up every morning and look at this. Quite luxurious. And then let's see who's in my bathroom.
Two walk-in closets.
Oh, is this another closet? I never noticed. Oh, look, I have two closets. And then there's some human getting ready in my bathroom, but you guys can come in anyway. There I am. We have his and her sink. Did you show the sink?
There's no heat.
In the tub. And yeah, that's it. Mom, how does it feel for me to be taking you on our first vacation? Turn around, look at the camera.
Amazing.
Amazing. Awesome. Let's go get the opinions of others. Yeah, how does it feel, cameraman?
Great. I'm just looking for her to buy my Chick-fil-A today, guys. She owes me, and I'm super excited.
Yeah, I owe her Chick-fil-A meal. I'm gonna make sure you get that, and I owe Trey ice
From
cream.
Baskin Robbins.
Okay. So, Tamara, how do you feel about me bringing you on this trip? Our first vacation together.
Well, it's not my first trip I've been on, but it's alright.
How you like the condo? You like
It could be better, but I like it.
it? Ungrateful. Stop. How do you feel about me bringing you on your first trip?
I mean, well, it's not my first.
No, like me bringing you on our first trip. How do you feel about that? Tell people how you feel about that.
I feel great about it.
That is so fake, y'all. But yes, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you ain't subscribed,
What are you doing?
exactly, I don't know what
Like,
you're doing.
period,
It's your life.
If you not,
But if you're an OG, then thank you for watching.
it will be up in the bio.
And I'll see y'all in the next one.